Welcome back, everybody. Mark here, and I've been working on quite a bit of audio here, and I'm actually going to turn the music down as much as I can. But I've been programming for quite a while, and so I've come up with basically a Pathfinder character generator, and that's what I've been working on. So when you start it up, you actually have your UI layout, and you can go through some images here, pick your character portrait, and then you can go through and choose your character attributes. This is all I have wired up right now. Some of the images I borrowed just so I can keep this thing working. I am working on images to replace a lot of these, but as you can see, I actually have this nice background. A lot of the art I'm doing in GIMP. So here we can choose our character's name, and then we can choose the player name. So we'll just say Mark and Mark, because that's who's working on it. We can select our race, then our class. So let's say a rogue. I'm thinking about doing these selection boxes. I'm not sure yet. I got a little bit more thinking to do on this. So I might do either drop downs or I might do these list boxes. But when you close this, it goes back to the main screen. Once you open it back up, it does go back and select everything you've already selected. So that's what I'm working on. It's a concept piece. I might do a tutorial on what I'm working on, but I hope you guys like it, and I'll keep things moving. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next episode.